So I'm here today to share with you all how I achieve this pulled together makeup, no makeup look without spending a lot of time doing so. And I'm hosting a giveaway on this channel in which I'm going to tell you all about it in the video as you watch along. So if you're interested in wanting to see how I got this pulled together look without spending too much time doing so, keep watching this video and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Okay, dolls, so now that you've seen the intro, I figured to do a talk through instead. That way I'll get a chance to sit here, you know, kind of chit chat with y'all and just share my thoughts as I get my pulled together makeup, no makeup look. But I'm gonna start by using my Assured hand sanitizer that I purchased from my local Dollar Tree, and this smells amazing. Now I started using hand sanitizers after going to my dermatologist, who said to me, you know, your skin is reacting the way that it is due to the elements of Mother Nature, you know, the debris that's floating around in the air, and also from you touching things and then you touch your face and then you're like, oh my gosh, my face is breaking out. Wash your hands. He said, especially when you know you're going to do your makeup, start out with clean hands. So ever since I've been doing that, my skin have gotten and have been a lot better. So yeah, hand sanitizer is a must. And like I said, this is from Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to take my St. Ives Timeless Skin Collagen Elastin Moisturizer. So I like to take a little fingerful of that, which looks like that right there, and then I'm going to take my CoverGirl Ultra Smooth foundation that looks like this right here, and this is in the color called 20, and this is how I get my pulled together look. Now you don't have to use the CoverGirl, you can use even your own foundation, and I mix mine with my moisturizer. So I take a little bit of my foundation, just a little bit, because I'm not going for a full face. I just want my complexion to be nice and even. So this is what it's going to look like, and I rub it together, you know, and this is like a moisturizer, and I pat my face first. I pat. I gotta push, you know, the wig cap back. That's coming too by the end of this video. So anyhow, I pat my face gently, you know, and now I rub it in. Rub, and see how some color is coming into my face? I mean, I'm sure you can see that. I could. Rub over my eyes, because this is moisturizer, girl. Yes, ma'am. Let me tell y'all, being a YouTuber, well, being on YouTube, okay, trying to balance my career, because I still have a career outside of YouTube, trying to balance my career, manage my family, it can get so time consuming and overwhelming, okay? It really can, and especially when I want to try to create, you know, quality content for you dolls, the whole process can get overwhelming, and that's where, you know, I like to take a lot of me time to it. And there's nothing wrong with you taking some me time for yourself. It is essential for your mental health for you to take some quality me time, simply so you don't burn yourself out. I kid y'all not, you have to do it. So now that I've got my face together, I'm going to take my my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in a color called Medium Deep, and I'm taking my flat AOA Studio Face Blending Brush, which is the F23 brush, and this is from the Faux Mink line. I purchased the whole brush set, which I will show y'all in another video, and I've been using the brushes, you know, to try them out before I actually bring you the full review. So I take some of this like you're seeing, and once I get enough on there like that, I tap it off and I press into my skin. This is what's going to help to really make that moisturizer that I just put there stay, and then this is going to also help to smooth out and mattify my skin. After I do that, I take my favorite blush in the whole wide world, which I use in every single video, my Milani Cosmetics Rose de Rio. A little bit of this is definitely going to go a long way, because I'm not much of a blush wearer, but you know, if any blush I'm gonna use, it would be this. So just a little bit. Just a little bit is gonna go a long way for me. Seriously, I'm not much of a blush wearer. So now that I've done that, I'm now going to go ahead, take my nude lipstick, and this is by Brucci. This one is Almond Matte nude lipstick, and a little bit. Take my Beauty Benefits lip gloss, which the name is off of it now. That's how much I've been using this. The name came off of it, but I purchased it from Dollar Tree. Add a little bit of that. So now this pretty much just concluded my look. The only thing I gotta do is add my lashes and throw my wig on. So I'll be right back. And this is my makeup, no makeup, pulled together, quick fast look. That's an easy go-to when I'm pressed for time. And speaking of time, I'm hosting a giveaway. Yes, Glam Dolls, I'm hosting a giveaway with an amazing collaboration with Jord watches. If you dolls are not familiar with Jord watches, they're a company that create handcrafted wooden timepieces such as this right here that I was wearing throughout the video. The giveaway is valued at $180, and one lucky glam doll will have the opportunity to win her very own wooden crafted timepiece of her own. And you get to choose a design of your choice. I have this one, but they have several designs for you to choose from, and the giveaway, like I said, is valued at $180. And what really impressed me the most about, you know, Jord watches is when they say that moments are bigger than minutes, and your watch should be able to tell more than just time. And that's why I said this will be an amazing collaboration, because I'm all for taking time out for yourself, making sure you don't burn yourself out, making sure your mental health is intact, and that you're always at peace with yourself. So if you want to know how to enter this giveaway, please make sure you check down in the description box below for the link that will take you directly to instructions guiding you on how to enter this giveaway. I want to say good luck to all that enters, and if you're able to win this giveaway and get yourself a Jord watch, believe me, your moments will become bigger than your minutes, and then your watch will be able to tell you more than just time. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and join in on this amazing glam doll community. And keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.